Hi YouTube, Daniel again. Sorry about I'm gonna have to upload this video in adjacent to the last one because my camera ran out of space. So as I was saying, the Remington Golden Bullet. Here, I'll show you again. Let's see why it's called that. It's like a little golden tip. I know this isn't the best camera. I'm just gonna get new ones hopefully for Christmas. This is the rifle match. Semi-auto. These are mostly lead nosed and round nose. Hollow point, what is this? 42 grains. Bit bigger, I think. The Interceptor. Round nose. The Super Extra. The Eagle. American Eagle, it is. Hollow point. Whoops, go back here. CCI. And the apparent nose is a Fiocchi. It's supposed to be a hollow point, but whatever. Thank you guys. See you later.